back now at some of the most extreme conditions we saw throughout the day.
First, we head back out to Phoenix Avenue here in Cranston, where you can see water gushing through the street, creating a river of its own.
And looking at Narragansett, you can see the waves crashing over the seawall here. Some onlookers getting drenched by the water.
And finally, we head to Johnston, where rescuers helped people who were stranded, as you can see right here. Crews carrying 2 people to safety. Water was halfway up some cars on Park Street.
Now, here's your Pinpoint Weather 12 forecast.
Well, just incredible, the roller coaster ride that we've been on with the weather, with the season's first significant snow over the weekend, and then this deluge of rain and wind with yet another storm scheduled for Friday night late into Saturday morning, and perhaps another one early next week, which may be in the form of both rain and snow. We talked about this last month. We're in an El Nino season, and you tend to get more storms, a lot of precipitation, whether it be rain or snow, up and down the East Coast. And so far, that has been the theme over the last 6 to 8 weeks, unfortunately. Take a look outside in Providence now. Skies are clear. It's cool, but it's definitely not cold. If there's an upside to all of this, is that we're not talking about temperatures that are down in the 20s with standing water, freezing up. Now, it will cool down into the 30s overnight, but nice to see a slow temperature drop. Boy, those winds were just incredible. Not just the rain, but you could hear the roar of the wind during the pre-dawn hours this morning with the peak wind gusts. Connecticut Lighthouse, the upper part of the bay, it's in between Warwick and Barrington, a gust of 75 miles per hour, gusted to 70 out on Block Island. Most areas were gusting between 50 and 65 miles per hour. Had a gust close to 70 miles per hour at the top span of the Newport Pell Bridge during the pre-dawn hours. Obviously, we're watching the rivers, but we've noticed that the rise is not quite as fast. So good news there, but they are still well above flood stage. Now, we're dry over the next couple of days, and then that next storm system for late Friday night. When I say late Friday night, it's like midnight and beyond into early Saturday morning. More rain and more strong wind. We'll talk about that in more detail in just a second. Temps now in the lower 40s, includes 43 in Providence, New Bedford 45, and low 40s along the immediate South Shore. So quiet weather across New England, some snow showers in upstate New York. I'm going to show you the wider view, since, of course, a lot of our storms come in off the Pacific Ocean. And here's the next weather disturbance across the Northwest. It'll track something like this, arriving here late Friday night and into early Saturday morning. So let's take this view, put it into the future, and watch the time bar and watch right in here. So you see that low pressure area dropping to the south. Now, this is Thursday afternoon. Up and down the East Coast, we're quiet, sunshine, cool and dry. Now, usually when these storms pass across the deep south, they tap into Gulf moisture. So watch what happens to the precipitation shield. It just expands. This blue is a snowstorm, but we're going to be on the warm side of this, warm and windy side of this storm again. So as we jump ahead to late Friday night, pre-dawn Saturday, actually 2 a.m., you see that shield of heavy rain, the snow as well to our north. Heavy rain, strong wind, at least at 7 o'clock in the morning, but rapid improvement by Saturday afternoon. The sun comes back out. A lot of our guidance as far as the potential rainfall with this next system is honing in on amounts perhaps up to 2 inches, and that is right on top of the Patuxent River Basin over the Scituate Reservoir. So while these amounts are not as high as what we just had, this is very significant, and renewed flooding, unfortunately, will occur over the weekend on rivers and streams. And the wind with this storm picking up. We don't think we're talking 60, 70 miles per hour, but 7 o'clock Saturday morning, this purple area with gusts over 50 miles per hour. And it's one of those rapid storms where by Saturday afternoon it's gone, the sun's coming back out. Cool and dry tomorrow morning, sunshine, and then during the afternoon, sunny skies, looking at temperatures in the lower to middle 40s. So we're quiet now through even Friday evening. If you have plans Friday evening, 7, 8, 9 o'clock, go ahead. It's late Friday night, early Saturday morning, and then it turns colder. And what do you notice about next week? Not only is it colder and it feels more like winter, but the chance for some snow. We're specifically leaning towards Monday night into Tuesday. Obviously, that's still like 5 days down the road, but the pattern favors a more winter-like kind of a setup next week. In the meantime, quiet next few days, and we'll keep you updated on that next storm system for later Friday night, early on Saturday morning.
Man.
Wow. Yeah, it's pretty active.
It's been pretty crazy and more to come.
Unfortunately, yeah.
Brace for it. All right, Tony, thank you. Coming up next.